How you doing? I'm Noah Elsis. You're here at Audubon Circle, and I'm going to show you guys how I make my baby back ribs. The first thing that I'm going to do is I rub the ribs. What I've got here is a half a cup of brown sugar, half a tablespoon of cumin, 1 whole tablespoon of chili powder, 1 whole tablespoon of red pepper flakes, and 1 whole tablespoon of salt, sometimes maybe a little more. You want to mix it really well. The sugar is always clumped together, and you really want to make sure there aren't any clumps before you rub your ribs. And then you just want to rub them fully, inside and out. You want a nice thick layer so the sugar gets caramelized when it's in the pan. Okay, so what we're doing when we sear these ribs is we're searing in all the flavors from the rub that you just added. It's going to get a little dark, which is absolutely okay. It's what you're looking for. The sugar is caramelizing, and it's searing in the salt, the cumin, and the chili flake, and in the end, it'll add a lot more flavor. So after your pan is preheated, you want to add a little bit of oil, let it warm up, and add the ribs. Like I said, you're looking for a good amount of color. Sometimes, depending on the size of the pan, you're going to have to move the ribs a little bit to get color on all sides of the front half. So as you can see, the sugar is starting to caramelize over the top of the ribs, sealing in all those delicious flavors that you added with your rub. And we're ready for aluminum foil. And they're ready for the oven. The one thing that you should always be cautious about when you cook these is that if the oven is too hot, the sugar is gonna start to come off of the ribs and burn underneath the aluminum foil. So if that happens, if there's any sticking with the aluminum foil, you want to always make sure to lower the oven temperature and maybe add a little bit of liquid to the pan so it doesn't stick and it doesn't burn the bottom of the ribs. And we'll see you in 3 hours. Okay guys, so after about 3 hours, you're going to want to pull and check your ribs. And you'll know they're done by how soft they are and how easily they pull apart. So you should be able to pull them apart right by the bone, just like that. And when it tears, just that easily, you're all set.